Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pitchforks that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Pitchforks. Garden forks are one of the indispensable tools you need to use in your garden. Most people recognize this type of fork when they talk about the classic garden pitchforks. Long-handled garden forks, you can dig deeper holes. The small ones are more convenient for indoor use. This tool usually has 3 to 4 narrow tines with pointed tips which can cut through even the hardest soil. Number 5. Stainless steel digging fork 4x spading fork. This fork is easy to use, and the solid Y handle is made of ash wood. It has strong grip and won't loosen over time. The more the wooden handle and stainless steel will be used. Main features: 100% satisfied guarantee white application. Strong D grip. Number 4. Trooper 880,154,539 Pro Manure Fork Grip. A rivet-less ring of steel connects the neck and handle. Reinforced resin insert helps to provide up to 400 pounds of handle strength in dynamic load tests. Main features: 50-inch fiberglass handle. Soft cushion grip. Lightweight. Number 3. Bully Tools 92,370 Spading Fork with Fiberglass. The Bully Tools spading fork has extra thick steel tines that resist bending. The triple wall fiberglass handle resists while still being lightweight and easy to handle. Main features: wide design and non-slip. Limited lifetime warranty. Made in USA. Number 2. The Whitforged Hand Fork. Constructed of hand-forged, tempered boron steel to hold a very sharp edge, with an ash hardwood handle. Using the latest equipment and techniques combined garden tool manufacturers in the world. Main features: Dutch-made quality. Strong lightweight. Lifetime guarantee. Number 1. Oma Beta Rust-Proof Uncapping Fork 100% brand. Stainless steel tine uncapping fork hive beekeeping tool. This fork can help you to remove cells for inspection and rake off excess capping before scraping hone. Main features: high-quality stainless steel. Durable and comfortable grip. Wooden handle. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.